Hi guys, Lens here. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your speaker problems. So if we go over to settings and we go to songs, right? You can actually realize that the song is coming from one of the speaker. So you go to accessibility, then you want to scroll down. You want to go to audio/visual. Here you can actually see that our speaker is not balanced, so we need to balance the speaker in the middle. Once you balance the speaker in the middle, you should be able to get the song on both speaker. The other thing is you want to ensure that your other settings are intact as well. You want to ensure that your song is not on mono. So let's go back and let's just check the song. We're actually hearing from the two speakers. We have the right and the left speaker at the bottom area where the charging port is. So if you're getting problem while you are on a call, so if it happens you're on a call and you're not hearing from the top speaker, you want to do a force restart. So to do this, you want to hold the volume up, then the volume down, and you hold the power button. This will give your phone a force restart. So you will definitely see the Apple logo showing up. Once you see the Apple logo showing up there, do a force restart. This will help you to rectify any problems that you may have with your speaker. That is the top speaker that we are talking about here. Also ensure that you update your iOS to the latest version. Sometimes if you update your phone and it wasn't updated successfully, it can create little issues with your phone system and can cause different part of the phone to malfunction. So you want to ensure that you update your phone properly, and that's how you can definitely fix your speaker problem with your iPhone. And that's how you can fix your speaker problem with your iPhone. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe.